My name is Javed Ahmad Khan and my educational qualification is MA Political Science, MA English, MA Psychology, BEd and MAd. I belong to district Kupwara of Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory now. So far as the Z is concerned, first of all I got this concept from Facebook regarding zero involvement innovations in the educational initiatives, and accordingly I submit by forum regarding that, and I got an e-certificate. This is really one of the best initiatives so far as the platform for teachers is concerned, as well as so far as the development in educational pattern in our country is concerned. Such platforms are not available in any other organizations, as we are having such platforms in this our country by to the name of the Rupantar. And so far as my concept regarding the Z is concerned, we were having a very big problem in our schools regarding the punctuality of the students, regarding the activeness of the students, and regarding the learning enhancement in the students. We did so many methods, we make so many meetings with the parents, but unfortunately we did not got something special from them. At last I gave a concept, and the name of the concept is Super Moms. Super Moms, and I can say in another words it's Mother's Day. So this Mother's Day, we all always selecting the Mother's Days. We invited the mothers first, and out of 140 mothers, we were having only 30 mothers in the first meeting, and we discussed everything with them. And after that, what happened? We called their children in front of them, and we discussed the role of their children in our school with them, and the role they can play as a mother for building the capacity for building the good nation. So we gave them the good examples of some great mothers, and we gave them some great examples of the good leaders of our nation. After that, we make a simple certificate on a white paper with different colored pens, because that's not very expensive, and we provided the certificate to that mother who was the part of the meeting, and we gave a simple pencil to the student whose mothers had come to attend the meeting with the teachers. After that, when we provided the certificate to the mother and the pencil to the students, there was a sort of excitement among the mother as well as among the child. But after that happened, when these very mothers go back to home, and those rest of the students whose mothers were not in the meeting, there was a sort of excitement and the curiosity among the students that they too wish that we too need this pencil from the teacher's hand, and we need this certificate also for their own mothers, and we call them that your mothers too can become super mothers, because if they will motivate you, if they will give you the chance of being a good student in the school, what they need to come to have meetings with us, they need to make you active, they need to press your clothes, they need to come forward and be part of the change. And believe me, when there was another meeting, almost out of 140 mothers, we were having 89 mothers in the second meeting. All of the staff members became very happy, and out of 140, we were having 131 students completely enrolled at that, completely punctual at that very day, and we gave 89 certificates to the mothers, and we are doing the same practice. Believe me, instead of the Father's Day, we are stressing our best, because the mothers are very sensitive. We need their support, and we are always celebrating Mother's Day. We are always discussing with mothers the problems and issues of their students. And finally, I can say to all the teachers of my entire country, this concept is very much important, and you need to get mothers involved in your educational system. This is really a big concern of change, because we are the change makers. We have to make, because they were the mothers who have taught us, who have brought us. That's why we are here. So same is the case with the rest of the mothers, same is the case with the rest of the students, same is the case with the rest of the teachers. We need to have mothers' involvement in our educational process. There would be good change in the educational system, in punctuality, in attendance, in learning enhancement capacities, And at last, I am very much thankful to the G, the Rupantar, the Sharia Bandhu Society, as well as the HDFC Bank for providing teachers such a great opportunity here in this national platform. Because if you are encouraging a teacher, you are encouraging a state, you are encouraging a nation, and if you are encouraging a nation, you are building a nation, and if you are building a nation, there is always greatness to you. Thank you and all the best.